Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice and screen. Those are attending online. Please check it. All of you are getting my voice and screen, guys. Those are attending in online. Please confirm to me. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice and screen. Those are attending in online. Right. Good evening, guys. And there is a small request to everybody. Whenever we are coming inside the class, might be some you are giving your numbers and names, right? So what we identify there, numbers are not provided properly, and email IDs are also be not provided properly in both offline and online. And many of the people are giving fake mobile numbers and fake email IDs. There's no use for it if you give that wrong mobile numbers. Some people are giving that mobile numbers like what they are 9-digit numbers, 8-digit numbers, 9-digit numbers. What you're thinking about it, sir? Do you think about it? We are going to take your properties on the basis of your mobile number. Durgasoft is not on that way. Right. Just for the sake of communication point of view only, we are collecting your details, and I'm sure about it. Your data will be very much secure. Whether WhatsApp and Facebook are maintaining that much of security or not, I don't know. But Durgasoft is providing more than that security. Okay, don't worry. Then your data will be preserved perfectly. Then it will not be shared to any other persons. First, think of it. It is not like any real estate company. It is a training institute. So your data will be secured. Understand it now. Of course, if you don't want to reveal your data, it's okay. But better to give your data. Why? Because communication point of view. Now, today we are coming for core Java. Maybe next email look for what their advanced Java. But when we are going to announce that advanced Java batches, no, just we want to give some messages to you. Even after getting few messages, if you don't like to get messages, no issues. Just call to our office there, say that information. Please stop to send message, without having any problem. Then our people will delete your number from our database. It's an official thing only. Understand it, Kiano? Then after completion of your batch, up to 6 months of time, we used to manage your accounts. After 6 months of time, we are going to delete your accounts. Why? Because up to that, we are going to send some new batches information all. It may be useful for you. Right, sir. Anyway, some people are giving messages, like message in the sense, usernames and all. Right, sir. And all, like username and all, like what there, ABC, DEF, and XYZ, no. Like in online people. That's what I'm telling to you. Right, sir. This is one point. And one more clarity. You are very at the startup point of the Java, right? Almost all your kids in Java. So you don't have much knowledge in Java, right? And tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start some advanced Java classes and some Java frameworks at morning time. That advanced Java, servlets and JSPs, and next one is what there, that the frameworks, Java frameworks, that the classes are not for the sake of you. That classes for some other batches already have been started long time back. For them, I'm going to take frameworks classes there. For full stack Java, I started maybe a few months back. For that full stack Java students, I'm planning for what their Java frameworks at morning time, not for the sake of you. Even though you are getting call from Durgasoft, as a in general call only, in general message only, but don't think that classes are for the sake of you. You are for the sake of you. I will start separately advanced Java. I'll start separately Java frameworks like Spring Boot, microservices and all. For the sake of this full stack people there, don't come for that. Or even if you come for that demo class, no, it's okay, well and good, but don't continue with that classes there. Separately, I'll start for the sake of you. I had already clear-cut roadmap for it. As per the schedule, I'm going to start our content. Okay, leave it. All right, so now let's move on to the content here. Can you please check it what we are discussing actually? What topics you are discussing there now? Tell me, can you please check it now? Any idea? Any idea what we are discussing? What topic we are discussing? Steps 2? Sir, I'm asking about only the topic name, not internal concepts. I think Patan movie was released there, right? How many days back? Patan movie. Yesterday or today? Yesterday, right? Who is the hero? Shah Rukh Khan, right? Who is that heroine? Deepika, right? Darling Deepika, right? Am I right? Who is that villain in that movie? John Abraham. But these answers are perfect, right? But what I discussed in yesterday's class, we don't know. So you are giving more priority for movies, not for Java movie. Java is more than that movies, right? Right, sir. At least topic names you have to know. Right, sir. Anyway, I'm giving clarity for all of you. We are discussing the topic. I think some of you are new today. For all of you, I'm confirming that topic is steps to prepare first Java program, where nearly 5 to 6 steps are available. What are the 5 to 6 steps now? Download and install Java software. Next one is what there? Download and install Java editor. Next one is what there? Open Java editor and write Java program. Next one is what there? Save Java file. Yesterday we completed that what there? Save Java file. Then what is that fifth step now? Compile Java file. Next one is what there? Execute Java program. Now today our responsibility is what there? Completing the compilation process. Right? Your attention should be very, very important today. I'm going to show some diagrammatic representation as well as some explanation. Try to put more concentration here now. All right, sir. Compile Java file. Understand clearly. Directly, yesterday I given one question. What was that question here I've given there? What is the requirement to compile Java file? What is the requirement to compile Java file? This question here we are discussing there. All right, sir. Now here, inside this, I've given two answers. What are the two answers here I've given there? First one is what there? To translate Java program from source code to bytecode. To translate Java program from source code to bytecode. All right, sir. For the sake of this, we need compilation. Second one is what there? To check developers' mistakes. To check what their developers' mistakes, we need to go for like what their compilation here now. To check developers' errors, mistakes in our Java program. Nice. Up to this part here we completed. Am I right or not? Now, I'm going to provide that next point here. What is that next point here? To compile Java files. To compile Java file or files. Java has provided a predefined command in the form of what is that command here no Java C. What is the command here we have to use there? Java C. File or files, no problem here no. Syntax here we have to understand there. What is the syntax of using that Java C command? Java C space file name dot Java. Number of times I said to you, along with the Java C command, we must provide file name dot Java. At the same time, remember this, along with the Java command, we must provide main method class name. Clear to all of you? All right, sir. That's okay, fine. Let's see this point here. Java C space file name dot Java. All right, sir. Okay, fine. I want to show a diagrammatic representation for this. Now try to understand this now. Everybody, put more concentration here. For example, I want to take a system hard disk. System hard disk. This is my system hard disk. Inside this system hard disk, I want to take some drives. C drive, D drive, and E drive. Now this is C drive, and this is a D drive, and this is E drive. Of course, in company laptops, maybe maximum 2 drives are available in general, C drive and a work drive. No D drive, work drive. C drive is for the sake of installation of the softwares. D drive is for the sake of what there, your project. In some other companies, maybe only one drive, that is C drive only. Their only installation we have to do, their only like what their project work we have to do. Everything we have to do inside like what their C drive. Answer my point here. But max these drives we are able to have. Of course, in our personal laptops, maybe E drive, F drive, and G drive also. Am I right or not? C drive is for the sake of softwares. D drive is for the sake of programming. E drive is for the sake of English movies. F drive is for the sake of Telugu movies. Don't ask me next drives now. That is for your personal purpose, right? Let's move on to the point here. So I'm going to install the operating system. I'm going to install the operating system. Where and in which drive that operating system is going to be installed? Now tell me. Obviously, operating system is going to be installed on which drive there? C drive. That's very clear. Now here we are getting operating system here. This is like what their operating system. OS. Okay, fine. Listen, all of you listen carefully. Operating system here we provided. Okay, fine. Next one after that. When we install operating system, automatically command prompt is available part of the operating system or not? Automatically the command prompt is what there? Part of the operating system. Okay, good. So operating system I installed in my system under C drive. Next one. I want to install Java software. Already we have seen that step. Where I installed my Java software under C drive. Am I right or not? Under C drive, I installed my Java software. So I created a Java folder under C drive. Java folder. Inside the Java folder, I install my Java software. When I install Java software inside the C drive, when I install Java software, two folders are created or not? Two products are installed or not? What are the two folders are installed there? JDK and JRE. JDK and JRE. Please remember this. All right, so now here we are able to have JDK folder. This is like what there? JDK folder. Next one, this is like what there? JRE folder. Now, I will talk about these two separately again whenever we are going to talk about JVM architecture. Now, here, this is like what there? JDK 1.8.0, 8 version only I'm trying to write. Now, this is like what there? JRE 8. Observe carefully. Forget about the JRE, JRE is what the Java runtime environment. That could be that it will provide good environment, very good environment to run Java programs, to provide runtime libraries to our Java program, to provide some other runtime scenarios for our executing our program. We require the JRE. That's okay, fine. All right, so JDK is available. Inside this JDK, we are going to have a folder, one more folder there. That folder is bin folder. Inside the JDK, we are going to have another folder. That folder is what there? Bin folder. Inside this bin folder only, we are having the commands like what there? Java C, Java, Java P, like what there? Java doc, and so on. So many folders are existed. So many commands are available. Commands related files are available. Finally, I'm asking one question to all of you guys. Now try to answer for it. Where our Java commands are available inside the Java software? At which location they are available there? C:/Java/JDK 1.8.0/bin. Inside the bin, we are having all Java commands. Java C, Java, Java P, Java doc, and so on. So many commands, nearly 35 to 40 commands are available inside the Java software. That all the commands and their respective tools collection is nothing but Java software. Got it or not? That's okay, fine. Now, so up to now, what are available in my system? I have a computer where operating system is ready. My Java software is also be ready. Java software is installed. That's it. Just only installed. Understand it clearly. Next one, I need to prepare a program. I need to prepare my programs. For the sake of my programs under D drive, I have provided a separate folder. For the sake of programs there, I given a separate folder under D drive. What exactly the folder here I prepared there? That folder is what there? Java 730. That's the folder here I provided. Am I right or not? What is that folder here? Now tell me. Java 730 that I provided now. Right, sir. Java 730. That's okay, fine. All right, sir. Now inside the Java 730 folder, I provided a Java file. What is my Java file here? I given there. I given test.java. My file name is what there? Test.java. Test.java. Okay. Now I want to write a program for it. Now try to understand my program here. What exactly the program here I'm going to write here inside this class test. Inside this class test, public static void main string array args. Right, sir. Inside this system.out.println shortcuts I have written here. Just you can think of it. Some welcome message here I'm providing there. That's okay, fine. Right, sir. Now here close option here, and this is close option. So finally here, what I completed here, my program is ready. What I read, what I got there, what I have there in my computer now. Operating system is ready. Java software I installed, and I've written my Java program also after the installation of the Java editor. I've taken Edit Plus for example. All right. After preparing my program, after writing my Java file, what is the next one here? No, next one should be like what there. I have to compile the program. I have to compile the program. Am I right or not? Right. So now let's see this one. How the compilation is going to be happen here now. Now here, if you want to compile the program, first we have to open what their command prompt. This is command prompt. Is a part of the operating system now. Not required to install anything to get this command prompt. So this is like what I'm telling to you, command prompt. Here we open this command prompt. Observe carefully. All right, so now this is like what their command prompt. It's okay, fine. Okay. All right, so now one more minute. Right, so this is command prompt. To compile our program, open the command prompt, go to the location where we have saved our Java file. 1 minute. Right, sir. Open the command prompt, go to the location where we have saved that Java file. Tell me guys, in this example, where I saved my Java file, now tell me. d:/java 730. There I saved my Java file test.java. So go to that location by using cd commands now. d:/, it will come to D drive. cd space. What next one here? No, Java 730. So Java 730 location. Got it or not? Then there, if I write a dir command, list of files we are able to get which are available at the current location now. That's okay, fine. Test.java is available now. Now to compile our program, what we have to do there? To compile our program here, what we have to do there? Java C space test.java. Java C space test.java we provided. Clear to all of you know? Up to this, everything is clear, right? Got it or not? From now onwards, the actual movie will start. But more concentration. Attention is required. Complete attention is required. Right, sir. When we provide this particular command, Java C command on a command prompt, operating system will take Java C command. So we'll take this Java C command, operating system. Please remember, now onwards, command prompt in the sense operating system. Command prompt in the sense what? Operating system is a part of the operating system. Think of it. If you write something on command prompt, automatically operating system will take it. Operating system supervision is available over it. Operating system will take that command. Operating system has to execute everything what we provided inside this command prompt. Operating system is responsible for executing the commands which we entered on command prompt. So now operating system will take the Java C command. Okay. Operating system will search for this Java C command in its internal commands list first. Operating system will search for the provided command in its internal commands list. Every operating system has their own commands list. Windows operating system has a DOS commands internally. cd command, md command, mkdir, or maybe dir command, copy command, like different commands are available. All these are operating system internal commands now. So when we provided Java C space test.java and command prompt, operating system will take the Java C command. Operating system will search for the Java C command in its internal commands list as the first one. If it is available there, operating system will execute the Java C command. If it is not available there, operating system will think of it. The Java C command is not the part of internals of operating system. It may be the part of some other software which was installed on the top of this operating system. Come again, what is the point I said to you? When I type this Java C space test.java on command prompt, we will take that command now. Operating system will take that command. As a first step, operating system will search for that command in its internal commands list. For our information, every operating system has its own commands list. First, operating system will check whether it is a internal part of this operating system or not. If it is available, there directly operating system will execute that. Its respective functionality will be performed. If it is not available there, then operating system will come for conclusion. What is the conclusion there? It is not the internal part of the operating system. So it may be the part of some other software which is available, which is installed on the top of this operating system. It will get some awareness. Why I'm specifying this particular point now? Understand my intention clearly. Some operating systems are not having Java C in internal commands list, but some other operating systems are having Java C command internally. Depends on operating system. Operating system to operating system variation is available. Some operating system are not adapting Java, part of its internal services, but some other operating systems are maintaining Java internally. Have you remembered this point? Do you understand this point here? Some operating systems are providing Java, part of its internal service, but some other operating systems are not providing Java, part of its services, internal services now. I thought of it, Linux is having Java support. I thought of it. Still, I'm not confirming that. I'll confirm it later on. But internally, the Java support might be some operating systems are providing as the internal support of these operating systems. So they're having Java C internals of this operating system. But in some other operating system, Java is not the internal part. Java is an external part of that operating systems. Whatever it may be. Whatever it may be. First operating system will search for Java C in its internal commands list. If it is available there, immediately it will be executed. Its respective functionality will be performed. If it is not available there, operating system will come to understand the point. It is a part of the explicit software which is installed on the top of the operating system. Coming to the Windows concepts now, Windows operating system, Java C is not the internal part of the operating system. It might be the part of the explicit software which is installed on the top of the Java. Our operating system understood that it is a part of the external software which is installed on the top of this operating system. But now immediately operating system has to know where, in which external software the Java C command is available. It should know the location of the Java C command which is available in a particular software. To get that location information, to get the location of Java C command, to know the location of Java C command, to know the software where Java C is available, operating system will go to an environment variable, that is what their path environment variable. Operating system wants to know the location of Java C. To know the location of the Java C, operating system will go to which environment variable? Path environment variable. Of course, it is temporary path or maybe permanent path, that doesn't matter now. First priority will be given for a temporary path only. If it is not existed, then it will come to what there? Permanent path. That's okay. Already the differences we understood there. While operating system went for what there? Path environment variable. Got it or not? Operating system will go to what there? Path environment variable. It will go to the first location, search for Java C, not available. Go to the second location, search for Java C, not available. Finally, operating system doesn't identify the Java C and its location, either in its internal commands list or it's through what there? Path environment variable. It did not identify the Java C and its location there. So then immediately operating system will give hands out situation to the user. What is that situation there now? You have used Java C command and command prompt. I thought of it, it might be available in its internal, but I checked it, not available. I thought of it is an external, it's a part of the external software. So to know the locations, I went to the path environment variable, refer locations. There also I checked. There also I did not identify. So I don't know finally what is the Java C, where the Java C is available. So this is my hands-on situation. I'm giving this situation to you. Now you have to handle that. That information must be provided by operating system to the user. But how operating system will provide this information to that user? How operating system will give this situation to the user there? User has given that command, but operating system has to give that information to that user or not? How operating system is giving that information to that user? No, simply by providing the information is like what there. Java C is not recognized. Java C is not recognized as an internal command, as an internal or an external command or an operable program or batch file. This message would be provided by operating system. Somewhat related message. Or that message that operating system is able to provide there. Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command or an operable program or a batch file. When this message is provided by operating system, immediately what is our idea? What is our thinking there? Operating system did not identify the location where Java C is available. Yes, sir. Got my point or not? But as you are the installer of the Java, as you understood the installation of the Java, as you know the location of the Java, you must identify the location of the Java as we installed the Java software in our system. Now tell me where the Java C command is available. Now tell me at which location it is available. C colon Java JDK 1.8.0 bin. Inside this location Java C is available. That I know, but operating system doesn't know. I know the location of Java C, but operating system doesn't know about the location here. So if it is a case now, we have to give that information to the operating system or not. We have to talk with our operating system or not. Hey, you checked your Java C at different locations, but you did not identify it. But I know the location of Java C. I'm giving this location to you. Go to that location, check for Java C. If you identify, execute it. That information you have to tell to the operating system or not. To give that information to the operating system, simply set a path environment variable to the location of Java C. After installation of the Java software, I set directly path environment variable to bin previously because of this particular reason. Get my point or not? So tell to the operating system where the Java C is available. For that, we have to set a path environment variable to the location where Java C is existed. So for that purpose, what command here we are going to use there, all of you observe carefully. Here the command here I'm going to take like what there, d:/Java 730, where we are going to write what there, set path is equal to, observe carefully, directly I want to write what there, c:/Java. Now tell me what is the location here, Java space JDK 1.8.0/bin semicolon. Up to bin we have to provide. Inside this bin it is available. So whenever we provided this location, automatically that location will be added to the path environment variable or not? Automatically that location will be added to path environment variable or not? Then what is that location here? No, c:/. Then what next one here? Java slash JDK 1.8.0/bin semicolon. Right. After setting these, again if we use like what there, again if we provide d:/Java 730, again we have to provide like what there, Java C space test.java. Again we have to compile the program. Now if we use this particular command here, again the same process. What operating system will do? Operating system will take the Java C command or not? Operating system will take the Java C command directly. Operating system will search for Java C in its internal commands. If it is not available, then it wants to know the location where it is available. For that it will come to what environment variable? Path environment variable. Go to the first location, search for Java C, not available. Go to the second location, search for Java C, not available. Then it will go to like which location? No. Then it will go to what location here? Now tell me. Then it will go to the like third location. What is the third location there? c:/Java JDK 1.8.0 bin. Inside this bin folder, Java C command is identified or not identified? Java C command is identified or not? Yes, sir. Now Java C command is identified here in this particular location. Am I right or not? Java C command is identified. Right, sir. Now observe carefully. Java C command is identified. When Java C command is identified by operating system, immediately operating system will execute the Java C command. Immediately operating system will execute the Java C command. By the execution of Java C command, Java compiler software will be activated. The compiler software activation code is available in a Java C command. When operating system executes the Java C command, automatically Java compiler software will be activated. By this, compiler will come into the picture. Yes, clear to all of you know? Up to now, all of you are getting clarity? Nothing is there, very simple. Point by point, we have to understand. Then only we are able to get much clarity. 2 minutes. I'll rewind the content, okay? Then after that, I'll move forward for our better understanding purpose. I have my computer. Hard disk is available. Installed operating system at C drive. Installed Java software in C drive. When you install Java software in C drive, what is your recognition there? All Java commands are available at a particular location. What is that location there? C Java JDK 1.8.0 bin. Inside this, all my Java commands are available. That we have to recognize. I prepared my Java program at d:/Java 730 location. After preparing Java program, I have to compile my program. So I open command prompt. In the command prompt, I went to the location where my Java program was saved. That location is what there? d:/Java 730. There, I have to use the command like what there? Java C space test.java. When I use the command like Java C space test.java, immediately operating system will take the Java C command. Operating system will search for the Java C command in its internal commands list. If it is not there, then it will search for the Java C command by gone through path environment variable referred locations. Path environment variable locations. If, for example, if operating system is not identifying Java C command in both the locations, at its internal commands list and at the locations referred by path environment variable, where in both the locations operating system didn't identify the Java C command, then immediately operating system will provide a message to the user. What's that message? They know Java C is not recognized as an internal or an external command or an operable program or a batch file. Alright, sir. Now by seeing this message, we can understand operating system did not identify the location where Java C is available. So we have to give the location information to the operating system. To give the Java C location information to the operating system, we are using the command. What is that command here? Set path is equal to this particular C:/Java/JDK 1.8.0/bin semicolon that we provided. After that, again, if you provide Java C space test.java, again the same process that operating system will repeat. The operating system will take the Java C, operating system will search for it in its internal command space, not available. Then it will come to path environment variable, where it will go to the first location, second location, search for Java C, not available. Then it will come to what their third location. What's the third location here? C:/Java JDK 1.8.0 bin. Inside this bin, Java C is identified. When Java C is identified, immediately operating system will execute the Java C command. By the execution of the Java C command, automatically Java compiler software will be activated. Automatically Java compiler software will be activated. By activating the compiler software, now compiler will come into the picture. Up to this part we completed. Yes, sir. All of you are following or not? All of you understood these points or not? Clear? But I'm not seeing glowness in our faces, no. Seriously, you are looking at my face. Huh? Any family problems? All right, sir. Now, why you are in that serious mode? I said to you number of times, this is a place with the peace of mind. Peace of mind is required. And always you must be in peace, right? K.A. Paul. Uh, Definitely. I'm not criticizing. There's a great personality. Actually, you're not aware about it. Uh, right from my childhood onwards, I'm listening his name actually. But recently might be that piece is different piece now. But previously, when he had very good. Even and still in YouTube also we can check it. He conducted one public gathering where maybe lakhs of people are attended there. Okay, whatever it may be. Then is a religious kind of thing, but still his final motto is what their peace. That is appreciable. He fight for what their peace. And in the TV debates also used to say, I control that US president, I met with the US president, I have a own chopper. This kind, actually they are real actually. But unfortunately people are not listening that. Real, they are real. One example I'm telling there. Do you know that previously Parliament speaker, maybe Balayogi, one person is there. He was died with like what there, the chopper accident. Have you aware about it? He expired in that accident, right? That helicopter is given by K.A. Paul. When it's a year, no, maybe 1994 or maybe by the time 1994, 1996 by the time. Is a good actually, but people are not recognized nowadays. When elections are coming, he started his own journey again. Huh? Leave it, not required anyway. No. Right? Sir? I think you. I hope you understood the point up to now, right? Clear. Now people are activated. Fine. Let's listen carefully now. Next movie. So when a compiler is coming into the picture, what compiler will do? Compiler will take the provided file name along with Java C. First understand this, along with Java C, if you provide file name, Java C space tester.java we are given, with which intention we are giving file name along with the Java C, you are saying to the compiler, my total program I have written inside this tester.java file. Come and take this file and compile it and check my mistakes inside this file. And if no mistakes are available, translate this program from source code to bytecode. You are giving this information to the compiler by providing file name along with the Java C. Java C is a compiler. To the compiler, we are giving input is what their file name. Right or not? As per that information, compiler will take our file name what we specified along with the Java C command. That is what their tester.java. By taking this file name, compiler, please recognize this. Compiler will come to current location. What is this current location, sir? Now tell me. D:/Java 730. Compiler will come to current location where compiler will search for the specified file name tester.java. Two cases are available. In the case, if a tester.java file is not identified at a current location, if a tester.java file is not identified at a current location, immediately compiler will give a message to the user. You said tester.java is a file name. I've taken your provided file name. I went to the current location. There I checked for tester.java, but there I didn't identify the tester.java. What is this actually? You are blaming me. Compiler will think in this way. Compiler will search for the test.java at current location, not identified. Then compiler has to give that information or not. How compiler is giving that information to us? No, directly it is providing a message. What is that message here? No, Java C colon file not found colon. What is that file? No, test.java. If compiler is providing this message to us, no, immediately what is our thinking there over this point? No, whatever the name I give in along with our Java C command, whatever the file which is available at the respective location, both are not matched. Maybe that file is not existed, or maybe some mistakes in the file name what I given along with Java C command. That we have to cross check. Got my point or not? Cross check it. If any mistake is available in the file name, what we have written on along with the Java C command, correct it. Again compile the Java C space test.java. Again the entire process will be repeated. In the case if that file is not available at D:/Java 730, prepare a file with the Java program. You have to take the respective steps. For example, if a tester.java file is existed, if a tester.java file is existed, at the specified location in the current location. The location is what there, d:/java 730. If a test.java file is existed at the current location, then immediately compiler will take the test.java file. Compiler will start compilation right from starting point of the file to ending point of the file. Again, I'm repeating, no, when compiler identifies our test.java file at current location, compiler will start compilation right from starting point of the file to ending point of the file. Clear? Again, I'm telling there, your Java file may have, may not have main method and main class. That doesn't matter for compiler. Compiler will not give any respect to the main method and main class. Compiler don't care about this main class and main method. That doesn't matter for compiler. Compiler will start compilation right from starting point of the file to ending point of the file. One by one, every line it able to check, irrespective of having main method and main class. In general, most of the people are thinking about it now. Compilation will start from main method. No, the execution will start from main method, not compilation. Compilation will start right from starting point of the file to ending point of the file. Got it or not? If you have any problems, if you have any mistakes in our Java file, if compiler identifies any mistake in our Java file, immediately it able to display the error messages on command prompt. Immediately it able to display that message, that error message on what their command prompt. For example, I have written my program perfectly. Simple program only. No mistakes are available in my program. Everything is proper. No mistakes are existed in my program. My program is perfect, 100% right. When our program is right, immediately compiler will finish its compilation. It will convert that the source code to bytecode. Then it will generate dot class files. At the end of the compilation, it will generate what file there? Dot class files. Sir, got it or not? Come again. In the second part, I've given some points. No, now try to understand it again. For our understanding purpose, I'm repeating this. Now try to understand it clearly. No. All right, sir. Good. Listen carefully. When a compiler is activated, compiler will come into the picture. Compiler will take the input file name what we are given along with Java C command. That is what there test.java. Compiler will take that file name. Compiler will search for that file at the current location. Current location is what there d:/java 730. In the case if test.java file is not available at the current location, compiler will give a message to us java c : file not found : test.java. In the case if test.java file is identified at current location, compiler will start compilation right from starting point of the file to ending point of the file, irrespective of checking main class and main method. Again, I'm telling there, compiler is not at all recognizing main class and main method. Compiler is not giving priority for main class and main method. Compiler will treat main class and main method as like normal Java class, normal Java method. Compiler will check main method syntax as like normal Java method, not by thinking main class and main method. No priority for main class and main method in the point of compilation. Good. If any error is identified inside our Java file, error message will be displayed on command prompt. If no error is identified in our Java file, if our program is 100% correct, perfect, then compiler will finish its compilation part. It will convert the total Java program from its source code to bytecode. At the end, it will provide dot class files. It will provide what there? Dot class files. Clear? All of you are getting clarity on these points now? Up to this, I completed some topic, guys. Some points here I given. Am I right? Shall we see programmatically all the points now? Whatever the points we discussed theoretically, shall we see that programmatically that all points now? Right, so now let's understand this clearly now. As is the diagram I want to save there, we require this. Up to the execution here, we required here. Now here, this is like what there. First Java app, right? I've given this file. I will use this file there. At the end, I will copy into the document. Don't worry. Right, sir. That's okay, fine. Now see this one here. I want to take a command prompt. Now, of course, some Java version is available here. 17 is available, no problem. I want to corrupt it. Set path is good something. Not available. That's nice. Okay, leave it. So just I open command prompt. I installed my Java software. I open command prompt here. I went to the location where I prepared my Java program. D drive, then CD. Then what next one? Can know Java 730. This is a location. Can know. There, I want to see what content is available in this location. Some Java file .class files are available or not, as per our previous concepts now. All right. So now what I will do there? Delete star dot Java. Delete star dot class and delete star dot backup file. Of course, they're not available. That's okay, fine. Dir. See this? Have you seen any .java and .class files in the current location? Have you seen any .java and .class files? Nothing else. No Java file is available. No .class file is exists. That's nice. Right. So now Java C space test.java. What we are getting there? Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. Means that even though you installed your Java software in operating system, but operating system doesn't know the location where Java C is available. So what I have to do? Come on, what I have to do? I have to tell to the operating system where my Java C is available or not. To tell to the operating system where my Java C is available, I have to set what? Path is equal to, then what is that path here we have to provide there? C colon slash Java slash JDK 1.8.0 underscore 202 slash bin. I think so it is right. Now let me cross check it. Go for my C drive. Inside the C drive Java, then JDK 1.8.0 underscore 202 bin. Location is clear or not? Same location here I have typed it here. I remembered that location. That's why I've written it. But what we have to do, copy and paste now. You should do copy and paste. But I remembered it. That's why I typed it. All right, so now here I set this path now. Now observe carefully. Java C. Okay, before that, dir. Now see this one. Have you seen any .java file here? Have you got any .java file? No .java file is existed. Am I right or not? No .java file. No. Right. Now Java C space test.java. Tell me what will happen. As usual, operating system will aware Java C. Operating system will execute Java C command. Operating system will activate Java compiler software. Java compiler software will come into the picture. Java compiler will take test.java. Java compiler will search for test.java in current location. If it is not available, then it will provide a message to us. What is that message there? Java C colon file not found colon test.java. See this diagram. Got it or not? All right, so now let's understand this point here. Click on enter button. What is the first line? Java C colon file not found colon test.java. Message we are getting there. For example, I want to prepare a program now. File new Java simple test. Public static void main string array args. First Java application. I want to type it. Control S. Where I want to save this D drive. Inside this what there Java 730. There I want to save with what there tested.java. Now Java file is available or not available? dir dot Java file is exist or not existed? Existed here now. So we can compile it. Java C space test.java. Violated syntax now. Some mistake I have done. I get my point on some mistake I have done in my program. Save as, save it, then click on enter button here now. Error we are getting. In the Java file, if you have done any mistake, no error we are getting. Got it or not? I said to you previously, compiler will not give priority for what their main class and main method. Am I right or not? Okay, now tell me, main method syntax is what their public static void main. This is fixed syntax or not? Okay, normal Java methods we can write even without static. Normal Java methods we can write without static. But for main method, what is mandatory? Static is mandatory. But we can write normal Java methods without static. Am I right or not? Now check this. I'm showing that proof now. Compiler will not respect to the main method. Compiler will not give any respect to main method, any priority to main method. Compiler will treat main method as like what their normal Java method. If compiler is giving priority for main method, now compiler has to give an error now. Yeah, static is missing. But compiler will not give any priority for main method. Now I'm going to check it. Java C space test.java. No error. Means that what's the meaning of it? No, is that compiler is giving any priority for main method? No, compiler is taking that main method as what there? Normal Java method. We can declare normal Java methods without static. That's a valid case only. So compiler is not giving any error. That's okay, fine. Static. That's okay, fine. Now observe carefully. Alright, sir. Now, no error is available in my program. Java C space test.java. Now, compilation is success now. So, automatically dot class files here we are able to get. Now, let's click on this enter button here. Now, what happened there? No compilation error. No compilation error in the sense my compilation is completed. That program is converted from source code to bytecode. Then generating what there? Dot class files. Generating what there? Dot class file. Dot class file is generated or not? Dot class file is generated, but previously only dot Java. Now what we are getting there, no? Dot class file. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? Okay, fine. Now this is the scenario again. Right. Observe carefully. I want to give one more point. Practically, I've shown that almost all the points what I discussed with you, right? But one more point I'm telling to you. In the diagram, I want to provide dot class file. In the diagram, I want to provide dot class file. What is this actually? Tester dot class. Okay, nice. Tester.class file is created in the same location. By default, dot class files are generated at what location? They know in the same location. But for your information, I'm telling you guys, observe carefully. All of you observe carefully. How many dot class files are generated here? How many dot class files are generated here? Only one dot class file. How? How can you say only one dot class file? What is the calculation now? What is the internal calculation? How many Java files we compiled here? Only one Java file we compiled. That's why only one dot class file here we are getting. Am I right or not? Come on. One dot Java file we compiled. That's why we are getting what there? One dot class file. Am I right or not? This is wrong. Please remember this. This is wrong. If you have any such type of mindset, just please come out from this. This is wrong. I'm giving one conclusion. Now try to understand this conclusion. Listen, all of you know. All of you listen carefully. Generating number of dot class files is not at all depending on the number of Java files which we compiled. Come again. Generating number of dot class files is not at all depending on the number of Java files which we compiled. Okay, comma. Generating number of dot class files is completely, totally depending on the number of classes which you have used in the Java file and the number of abstract classes which you have used in the Java file and the number of interfaces which you have provided in the Java file and the number of enums which you have provided in the Java file and the number of inner classes which you have provided in the Java file. For each and every class, for each and every abstract class, for each and every interface, for each and every enum, for each and every inner class, a separate dot class file will be created. Of course, all of them we provide in a single Java file. Single Java file we compiled, but how many dot class files are generated? Not one dot class file. More number of dot class files are generated. That is totally depending on number of classes, number of abstract classes, number of interfaces, number of enums, and number of inner classes which we provided in our present Java file. Yes, sir. Got my point or not? But still some faces are with the question mark. Yeah, I'll show that. I'll show that. See what we have there now. Delete star dot class dir only dot java dot class is not available. Delete star dot back file. This back file is what there. Test dot java dot back. This file is not our related file. That is created by edit plus as a backup file, spare file. In the case if a dot java file is corrupted, you can recover that program from what there backup file. That's why edit plus is creating that. Don't expect the same thing in every editor. In edit plus only we are getting it. If I go for some other editor, no, this kind of backup files are not available. Don't require this even. Right, sir. That's okay, fine. Now observe carefully. All of you observe carefully. This is my program or not? Tester.java file. Now, enum e, enum e, interface I, interface I, abstract class A, class B, class C. What is this class C? Inside class B, I have written class C or not? Inner class. Got it or not? This is what their inner class. Right, sir. Totally, how many items I have written in my tester.java file? How many items I have written in my tester.java file? 6 items now. If I compile this program, e dot class. If I compile this one, I dot class. If I compile this one, a dot class. If I compile this, b dot class. If I compile this, b dollar c dot class. What is the meaning of it now? B dollar C. It is a standard notation. What is the meaning of it now? C is an inner class. Inner outer class B. B is an outer class and C is an inner class. So this is an inner class dot class file. C is an inner class and it's dot class file. That's okay, fine. Now this is like what there tester dot class. If I compile this Java file, how many dot class files here we are able to get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dot class files here we are able to get. Now see this, before compilation, dir, have we get any dot class file here? Before compilation, no dot class file is available. Am I right or not? No dot class file is existed. Am I right or not? Now let's see this one. I want to compile this. Java C space tester.java again. Guys, now tell me, how many Java files I'm compiling now? How many Java files I'm compiling now? Only one Java file. But see this one. How many dot class files here we are getting there? A dot class, B dollar C dot class, B dot class, E dot class, I dot class, tester dot class. All 6 dot class files here we are getting or not? Understand it, guys? What I'm telling there now. Now you can see this. Now here D drive Java 730. There we can see the dot class files A dot class, B dollar C dot class, B dot class, E dot class, I dot class. The next one is what there? Tester dot class. This many dot class files are created. That's a proof. Generating number of dot class files is not at all depending on the number of Java files which we compiled. Generating number of dot class files is totally depending on the number of classes, number of abstract classes, number of interfaces, and a number of enums and a number of inner classes which we provided in our single Java file. Yes, clear to all of you? All of you are getting clarity on these points now? That's it. Now this is the basic information of like what their compilation. There's a basic awareness on like what their compilation. All of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. That's okay. Fine. Now this is a clear cut information here. We can understand now. Fine. Sir, I'm asking to you, is it okay? All of you know, can I take 5 more minutes of time? Next point or overloaded? I don't have any problem there. If it is overloaded, I'll stop it now. Otherwise, I'll continue the next 5 to 10 minutes of time. Can I continue? Right. So next, one more point I want to tell. Why? Because if you're missing the sync, no, if you're missing the connection, no, automatically make it confusion for the next class. I'm thinking about it. Okay, no problem. I'll continue that. Just one more point I want to tell, then I want to finish it. Clear. Now, all of you observe carefully. Even notes I have not prepared that. Tomorrow with the fresh mode, I will explain that again, the point, and I will prepare the notes continuously. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you will finish notes also. No problem there. Tomorrow, as a revision part. Now, let's understand this one. If I compile the program, Java C space test.java. If I compile the program, Java C space test.java like this. Tell me, where all the dot class files are generated, where all the dot class files are generated at a current location or at any other location? Current location only. At a current location only, all the dot class files are generated. Am I right or not? But I have a separate requirement. What is my requirement now? My tester.java file is available in d:/java 730 location. My tester.java file is existed at d:/java 730 location. I want to compile my tester.java file from this location only. But I don't want to generate dot class files in the same location. I want to send the generated dot class files to some other location. Understand my requirement? What is my requirement here? I want to compile my tester.java file from current location, but I don't want to keep the generated dot class files at the same current location. I want to send the generated dot class files to some other location. Some other location may be e:/abc. That's my requirement. If we want to send the generated dot class files to some other location, there we have to use -d option along with javac command. Come again, what is the point I said to you? By default, if we compile Java file by using javac, by default all the dot class files are generated at the current location. But our specific requirement is what? We want to compile the Java file from current location, but I want to send the generated dot class files to some other location, not at a current location. That's my requirement. If we want to send the generated dot class files to some other location, some other target location, there we have to use -d option along with what command there? Javac command. Let's see programmatically. First of all, here what I am telling there, here dir, all the dot class files are available or not available. Delete star dot class, leave it. All right, so now delete star dot back file is not necessarily to delete it, no. Okay, fine. Now dir, observe carefully. Have you seen any dot class file here? No, but dot java file is available or not? Dot java file is available. Right, nice. Okay, fine. I want to make ready my target location. E drive, ABC location. So many things are available. I want to delete them. What is my target location? No, e:/abc location. Please remember this. My tester.java file is available at which location? Come on, d:/java 730. Where I want to send the generated dot class files? e:/abc location. Am I right or not? Okay, nice. Listen, all of you listen carefully. Java C, tester.java. In the sense, dot class files will be provided in the current location. No, that is not my requirement. My requirement is what there? Target location e:/abc, to that I want to send. So I have to specify my target location or not? What is my target location there? Now tell me, e:/abc location. But how compiler knows about it is a target location? How compiler knows about it? No, that's why here we have to provide what there? -d space. Yes, sir, got my point or not? Javac, in the sense compiler. Which file we want to compile? Tester.java. But where we want to send the dot class files? e:/abc. It's a target location. How compiler knows about it is a target location? By taking what option here? No, -d option. When a compiler identifies -d option, compiler is thinking, so user wants to send the generated dot class files to some other location. What is that location there? No, follow that. Immediately location is provided, e:/abc. Compiler will go there. Compiler will drop the generated dot class files. Compiler will compile test.java file. It will find the number of dot class files. but it will not save at current location. It will recognize -d option. It will go to /abc, where compiler will drop the generated dot class files. Before compiling this, now try to check this. Have you seen any dot class file here? No dot class file is available. Now observe carefully here. /abc location. Now from d:/java 730, we are compiling the Java file with this particular command. Can I click on enter button? See this, what we are getting there. Here we can see this. All the dot class files are generated or not? This is the location is what there, /abc. All the dot class files are generated. Where they are generated there? At which location they generated there? /abc target location, not at current location. What is that current location there now? Tell me. What is that current location here now? d:/java 730. Have you seen any dot class file here? No, we have not seen any dot class file here. But where we can see the dot class files? d:/abc. This is one option of using -d option. This is required. This is required in application development. Frequently, we are going to use this kind of thing. But where we are going to use this kind of thing, that I will discuss with you later on. In which situations we are going to use this -d option, I will discuss with you tomorrow. Right or not? So, some part of this, that means compilation part almost all completed there, but different options of compilation is available that I have to show everything. But what I'm requesting to everybody, guys, before come for tomorrow's class, please thorough with the today's class. Get knowledge on today's class. Remember this today's class. Then continue with the tomorrow. Then tomorrow we are going to see again the different options of compilation. If time permitted for me, then I'll go for execution part. How to execute our Java program, that one also I'm going to discuss with you clearly, if it is possible. Once if I complete execute Java program option there we have to write one written test. There will conduct one written test. Definitely one separate day I will take it for writing the test. So you should be ready with that. Got it or not? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow at 7:30. Thank you. Yeah, Vamsi Krishna, here what I'm telling to you. Then our people will send a Google Drive access to you. There automatically all videos you are able to get. Okay. Okay, you are able to get Vamsi Sai. Okay, fine. Don't worry. Is Java C and all other commands in the bin folder a.class file? I'm not understanding the question, Amit Kumar. Please check it. Today is your first class. Don't worry, they can continue. Then all previous classes recordings will get it. No, not completed OOPS concepts there. Then the next week I will start OOPS concepts. Now we are at before the OOPS only. Yeah, please. Yeah, please. Now class B. What? Ah. Hmm. 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 Yeah, it's okay. Hmm. The execution in this is you want to run the program, no? Directly JVM will come to main method only. Yeah, that's what I'm telling there. Along with the Java command, which class name we have given, in that class only JVM will search for main method. For example, if you write main method in class A, if you give Java space A, JVM will come to A class, search for main method. In the case, we have written main method in class A, but in the command prompt we are giving Java space tester. JVM will come to test class, where search for main method. JVM will not go to A class. No. Any number of main methods you can write, but in a different classes. Yeah, that is one of the important interview question. Is it possible to write more than one main method or not? Yes, it is possible, but in different classes. Yeah, but now here question will be there like what there out of these many main methods. No, which main method will be executed? Yeah, whatever the main class name we have given along with Java command, that class main method will be executed. Then here, there itself I'm telling there. For example, class A, class B, class A have taken. In all three classes, three main methods are written. Okay. Uh, Java space A class main method will be executed. Java space B class main method will be executed. Java space C class main method will be executed. That is a normal concept. Okay, you understood up to now. My requirement is I want to make A class main method is my actual main method. From this A class main method, I want to call B class main method. From B class main method, I want to call C class main method. Possible, it is possible. Like normal Java method call. How we are going to call normal Java methods, in the same way we can call that normal Java method. Automatically, that main methods are going to be executed automatically. In A class main method, I will call B dot main. B class main method will be in B class main method. I'll write C dot main. C class main. In that way, also chain process also we can do. Allowing that. Okay, right. Not immediately, because then at least you have to complete OOPS concepts, right? Object orientation you have to complete it. Then only we can start it. Even if I start it, no, you'll not understand anything. Okay, then it may take some time. Don't worry. Thank you. Yeah, okay, you can do work on the same location, but instead of using any other drive, no, maintain some other folder. In the examples, mm, desktop content also be coming, no? Uh-huh. Yeah, then if it is the case, then better what I'm telling there, it is very simple to partition our entire hard disk. Then better to have then 2 to 3 drives, no? Nothing else. Then if it is the case, then our people will do that. Yeah, no problem. Then one day, then bring your laptop there. Then I'll assign that work there. Some other people will do. Then 2 to 3 drives, you will get it. Don't worry. Fine, no problem. Yeah, thank you. Where no labs are available, kid. Only you have to bring your laptop. Yeah, you can come to me. You can ask me. No problem. You can bring your laptop also. After 9 o'clock, I'll be free max. So you can bring your laptop. Then I will show. I'll take care about it. No problem. Fine. Huh. Guys, then I'll clarify your doubts. Just give a minute of time. Those who are in online, just wait minute of time. Wait a minute of time, guys. Then I'll clarify your doubts. Don't worry. What? Hmm. Guys, 1 minute, guys. Those who are in online, I'll clarify your doubts. Permanently, you have not set it, right? చేశారా ఇక్కడ లేదు కదా అప్డేట్ ఇవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు కదా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేశారా జావా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సెమీకోలన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది జావా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సిలోనేనా సి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫైల్స్ జావా రైట్ యా జేడికే 1.8 పాయింట్ ఉంది కదా బిన్ ఇది కరెక్ట్ జావా సాఫ్ట్వేరేనా ఎట్లా వచ్చింది బిన్లో జనరల్గా ఇటు రాకూడదే సంథింగ్ అయింది ఇది ఇది కాదండి ఇది కాదు జావా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఏదో ఏదో ఉంది తంతుంది ఇది లేదు అక్కడ జావా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కరెక్ట్ కాదు అది ఒకసారి చూద్దాం ఇంతవరకు ఓకే చూద్దాం ఒకసారి చూద్దాం మరింత బ్లైండ్గా చెప్పేదానికన్నా కూడా వస్తుంది కదా అంతే ఇప్పుడే ఇది చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు సెట్ చేసాం కదా, అయిపోద్ది. Yeah, guys, then post payment for the course. So how soon I will get the invoice? Sri Harsha, then invoice in the sense just one time talk with your admin people there regarding that issue. Yeah. Mm. Then along with Java C -D option I given there, along with that -D option, whatever the location we are given, there automatically the dot plus files will be sent there. Automatically they will go there. Okay, that's one thing. If you want to access them again from it, where some other option is available, where class path environment variable we have to set, then only it will come. Otherwise it will not come. Where class path will come into the picture. If you want to access that dot class person to current location, class path environment variable we have to set, like path environment variable. I will tell to you tomorrow. I will tell the same point. Right, fine. దీని గురించి ఒక్క నిమిషం, నేను ఒక 5 minutes అయిపోయిందో చెప్తాను. Yeah, guys, then I'm 1 minute, guys. Then one by one I'll clarify your doubts. 1 minute, 1 minute, guys. Everybody, please wait. I'm clarifying your doubts there. Those who are in online, I've joined for the class today, and if you need access to previous class videos, how we can get. Our admin people will send that video. Okay, no problem. Vamsi Sai, right? He is a Java, and all other comments are in the bin folder. A dot class will be left already. Apart from Java and its frameworks classes, when will be the other courses you and all started? Tejashwini, then given some roadmap there. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services. I will take care about it. The timing should be 6 to 9. In between that, I will take that two courses parallel. I'm going to do that. All remaining courses you can start at any time. Frequently batches are going to be start from morning to evening. Morning 7 o'clock to up to 6 o'clock. Then we can start with at any time. Tejashwini. Okay. Alright, but Java related course I will take, no. Then Oracle or UI, other classes will start continuously from morning to evening. Then we can start with any other, right? Right, sir. Today is my first class. Jonas, no problem. Completed OOPS concepts and all. Sir, have you completed? No. Nadia, then I didn't complete OOPS concepts. Just basics only I'm talking there. Then OOPS concepts and everything I'll discuss at 6 o'clock in the future. Within a week of time, I will start it. How I see, then just fundamentals only we are discussing as of now. Just steps to prepare first application out again. Moreover, I'll give backup classes for it. Don't worry for it. When can I expect recordings after payment? No, immediately. Adi, immediately. Monica, immediately you are able to get it. As I yesterday's class recording. Yes, it is available. In YouTube, it is available. Right. Shravani. I'm Azure engineer and recently I moved to Java in my project. We are using Spring Framework. So can you tell me how to complete entire Java in 3 months? No, 3 months, Nadia, it's not possible. Full stack Java, minimum it will take 7 months of time, 7 to 8 months of time. Why? Because so a lot of concepts are available. If you want to complete Spring Framework, if you want to work with Spring Framework, you should know Core Java, then after that Advanced Java, then after that only we have to go for like what is Spring Framework. Otherwise, not possible. Okay. Yeah. Rakibul Islam, that class is over. You may leave, no? Yeah. Apart from Java and its frameworks classes, there when will be the other courses? You and all other. Yeah. Can I do DSA data structures using Java course as a part of this full stack Java? Rakibul Islam, no. Data structures is not included here. In core Java collections topic is available there. We are going to discuss something about data structures, not completely. No. Need clarification which all topics will be covered. It's my second class. Monica, then after the class, maybe then our people will send the total syllabus list to you so that you can check it. Yeah. Then what classes are completed so far in the sense? Just basics only I completed. Introduction part I completed there, but again I will take backup classes for them. Don't worry. Yeah, Guru Prasad, that double slashes is for the sake of what they're for the sake of comment. If we make any statement as a comment, no, then automatically that statement will be blocked for execution. Okay, right. Remaining courses when it will start now, then I will give that schedule, guys. Don't worry. Sai Kumar, I'll give that schedule as we are going to discuss application architectures as well as how application works. Yeah, definitely. Otherwise, Jonas, definitely we will discuss about it. Yes, Ravani, then one time, 1 minute. Ravani, then please and send your details to this number, especially which number there, this number, our people immediately will send access to you. Please send your payslip and the transaction receipt to this WhatsApp to this number. Then our people will send that request. Will send that to you, Shravani. Okay. Immediately you will get it. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Shravani. Thank you. Uh, 19. Okay. Okay. 10th. Okay. అంటే ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఒకటే ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు మీది ఎప్పుడైపోయింది బీటెక్ 19లో అయిపోయింది ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు అరౌండ్ హౌ మచ్ టైం ఇప్పుడు ఎంత కూడా 20 3 ఇయర్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాప్ ఉంది అంటే జనరల్గా ఏం చేస్తారంటే మార్కెట్లో ఈ కోర్సెస్ నేర్చుకునేది ఏదో ఫ్రెషర్గా వెళ్తారు లేకుండా ఉండే పని అయితే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెడతారు జనరల్గా అందరూ పెట్టే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎంతంటే 3 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ 3.5 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ 2.5 to 3.5 years అట్లా పెడతా ఉంటారు జనరల్గా ఒకటి పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే మీకు అకాడమిక్స్ ఎట్లా ఉన్నా సరే ఫ్రెషర్గా వెళ్ళే పని అయితే ఇవన్నీ కౌంట్ అవుతాయి మీ 10th క్లాస్ ఎంత వచ్చింది లేకుంటే ఈ గ్యాప్లు ఏం చేశారు ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి వన్స్ మీరు కనుక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కనుక పెట్టగలిగితే ఈ అకాడమిక్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కానీ మీది మొత్తం కూడా హైడ్ అయిపోద్ది ప్రజెంట్ ఏ కంపెనీలో చేస్తున్నారు ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ నుంచి చేస్తున్నారు ఆ నాలెడ్జ్ కరెక్ట్గా మీకు ఉందా లేదా అంతవరకు చెక్ చేస్తారు మీ అకాడమిక్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ తక్కువ ఉన్నా ఏదైనా గ్యాప్ ఉన్నా అకాడమిక్స్ గ్యాప్ ఉన్నా అడిగితే ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతూ ఏం చేశారు నా టైంలో అంతకుమించి దాని మీద పెద్ద స్ట్రెస్ చేయరు మీరు ప్రజెంట్ మీరు నాలెడ్జబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం అట్ విచ్ కంపెనీ యు ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ ఇది రికగ్నైజ్ చేస్తారు మీ అకాడమిక్ అంతా హైడ్ అయిపోద్ది ఇది మీకు కరెక్ట్ టైం ఇది ఎట్లా అంటే మీకు జనరల్గా అందరూ 3 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెడతారు జాబ్ వచ్చేదానికి ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా 3 years ఉంది ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ మీరు ఏదైనా కొంచెం క్లాసెస్ ఐ మీన్ నేర్చేసుకొని కొంచెం స్టఫ్ కొంచెం ఐ మీన్ జావా సైడ్ కానీ లేకపోతే మీరు తీసుకునే కోర్స్ ఏదైనా కొంచెం మంచి స్టఫ్ తీసేసుకొని మంచి కొంచెం స్టఫ్లు కనుకుంటే కొంత ఏదైనా యాక్టివ్ కనుకుంటే టెక్నాలజీలో మీకు ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఉంటాయి దానిలో ప్రాబ్లం లేదు ఫ్రెషర్గా అంటే ఇన్ని సంవత్సరాలు ఉంది కదా అని చెప్పి గ్యాప్ అడుగుతారు అంటే ఒకటి ఎలిజిబుల్ టు గో ఫర్ ఫ్రెషర్ కానీ ఈ గ్యాప్ ఏం చేశారు అంటే మీరు సమాధానం చెప్పాలి మోర్ ఓవర్ నా ఇంటెన్షన్ కూడా ఏంటంటే fresher and 3 years of experienced person, if we compare that, more number of calls will come for experienced person when compared with the fresher. Then more chances are available to get job. The experience is quite common. Then 70 to 80% of people are doing the same thing. Market law. Everything will be provided by consultancies. No? Yeah, that verification is going on. Everything is going on there on the proper way. But everything will be managed by consultancy people. Some consultancies are available there. Maybe at Hyderabad or Bangalore or Pune, somewhere else now. Then as a payroll person, then you may join with the company. Okay, then the consultancies will take care about it. Don't worry for it. Okay. Yeah, of course. Then your classes, then మనం ఇక్కడ చెప్పేదంతా కూడా క్లాసెస్ ట్రైనింగ్ వరకు మన కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ అపార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ గైడ్ లైన్స్ అయితే ఇస్తాం కానీ ఈ సర్టిఫికేట్స్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ మన దగ్గర ఏమి ఉండవు ఈవెన్ వీఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎంకరేజ్ ద పీపుల్ ఆల్సో కోర్స్ ఆ ఎండ్కి వచ్చేసరికి ఆటోమేటిక్ మీకు వచ్చేస్తుంది అవేర్నెస్ ఎందుకంటే అందరూ అదే పనిలో ఉంటారు వాళ్ళ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ అదే ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అసలు ఫస్ట్ నా దగ్గర రారు వాళ్ళు కన్సల్టెన్సీ వాళ్ళు ఎందుకంటే దెన్ ఇయర్ వీఆర్ టోటల్లీ అగెన్స్ట్ దట్ పాత్ బట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అయితే ఇవ్వగలుగుతాం కానీ దాని ఫర్దర్ ప్రాసెస్ అంతా మీరు చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి అవసరం లేదండి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెడితే లాస్ట్ 3 years వచ్చేసి మీరు కంప్లీట్ చేస్తుంటే చాలు అప్పుడు ఏం చేశారని అడిగారు నా బీటెక్ కొంత టైం పట్టిందని చెప్తామే ఏదో రీజన్ చెప్తాం అది పెద్ద పట్టించుకోవాల్సిన పని లేదు అంతే యా ఏముండదండి ప్రాబ్లం ఏముండదు యా యా కంపల్సరీ నాలెడ్జ్ అయితే ఉండాలి నాలెడ్జ్ లేక మనం ఏం చేయలేము అది పాయింట్ అది ఓకే రైట్ 1 minute ఈ మీరు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టుబడి జావానే ఇంకా వేరే ఆప్షన్ వేస్ట్ ఇంకా మీరు 3 years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పెట్టే ఆలోచన ఉండే పని అయితే జావా ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ జావాలోనే ఎక్కువ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఉంటాయి ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా కోర్ జావాతో నథింగ్ ఏముండదు కోర్ జావాతో ఏమీ ఉండదు ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావానే ఉండాలి కంపల్సరీ తీసుకోవాల్సిందే ఎవ్రీ వీక్ స్టార్ట్ అయితేనే ఉంటాయి. స్టార్ట్ అయితేనే ఉంటాయి. మీరు మండే కానీ రావచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఇప్పుడు జరుగుతుంది, బేసిక్స్ నడుస్తున్నాయి క్లాస్లో 7:30 to 9. ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది కదా, ఇది స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ఒక ఫ్యూ డేస్ అయిపోతుంది, 3 to 4 days అనుకోండి. ఇది బ్యాక్ ఇదంతా ఫండమెంటల్స్ జరిగేదంతా కూడా. ఫస్ట్ అప్లికేషన్ ఎట్లా నడుస్తుందని చెప్తున్నాను, అదంతా కూడా. దీనికి మళ్ళీ బ్యాకప్ ఉంటుంది ఈ క్లాసెస్ కూడా. కొంతమంది ఉన్నారు రావచ్చు సార్, రండి రేపు క్లాస్కి వచ్చి చూడండి. వచ్చి చూడండి, చూసిన తర్వాత మాతో మాట్లాడండి సార్. రైట్, ఫైన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Yeah, yeah. Guys, then Eunice, then I want to learn application monitoring for Java applications. What all courses are required, as I don't have application background, I have a network background, CCIE. Application monitoring, what do I have to do? Let me check once, Eunice. Then even I do not much aware about it. Presently working in Cognizant, Monica, right? 100% placement will be available. No, sir. You're working at Cognizant, right? See, the point is we are not going to provide any job guarantee program, Monica. Just we are planning for only content guarantee. Max content we are going to discuss there. Automatically people will get the jobs. Okay, but at the same time, we are inviting companies to Durgasoft. Companies will come to Durgasoft and they are conducting their placement drives. So Durgasoft students are going to be selected. But it is not like any job guarantee program. But we are inviting companies to come here to take the drives now. So up to that we are able to provide. Then full stack Java, Monica, please call to this number. Then our people will give more clarity on it. Which class is going on at evening 6 p.m. Nadia? It will be core Java only. Even the 7:30 people also be have to be joined for the core Java classes there after 1 week of time. Yeah, then 7:30 people have to attend core Java at 6 o'clock. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Okay, Nadia. Full stack fee, Monica. Then please contact this number there. All people will give more clarity regarding these fee related things. Yeah, I'm not for that fee related things. I'm totally for technology. Yeah, Nadia ma'am. Which class is going in evening 6 p.m. Core Java only. Core Java only. That 7:30 people have to attend for Core Java classes after 1 week of time. Why? Because I'm going to take the content at 6 o'clock completely now. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, Monica, then regarding these fee issues, no, fee details, no, just you can call to this number, whatever the number I've given. Monica. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, guys. And shall we meet on tomorrow? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. We'll see. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining part. Thank you. Thanks a lot.